Join me as I dive into the challenge of making 100x crypto calls with BIO. Let's see if I can spot the next big winner. The concept of 100x crypto calls is incredibly intriguing, and it's what drives many of us in the cryptocurrency space. It's the promise of finding that one hidden gem that'll catapult our portfolios to unprecedented heights. And that's exactly where the BIO strategy comes in, a strategy that I'm excited to share with you today. One of the most significant challenges investors face when trying to identify high-potential crypto assets is the overwhelming amount of information out there. With new projects emerging left and right, it's easy to get lost in the noise and struggle to separate the wheat from the chaff. How do you know which ones are genuine game changers and which ones are mere flashes in the pan? Another difficulty investors encounter is the emotional aspect of investing. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding a particular coin or project, only to find ourselves stuck in a cycle of FOMO and fear. We've all been there, at least, I know I have. And it's precisely this emotional roller coaster that can lead us to make impulsive decisions, rather than informed ones. Then, of course, there's the issue of staying up to date with market trends and analysis. The cryptocurrency space is notoriously fast-paced, and what's hot today can be cold tomorrow. How do you keep your finger on the pulse of the market, while also avoiding the noise and focusing on what really matters? Lastly, there's the challenge of balancing risk and potential reward. Investing in cryptocurrency is, by its very nature, a high-risk, high-reward endeavor. But how do you quantify that risk and ensure that your investments are aligned with your financial goals? The BIO strategy is designed to tackle these challenges head-on, providing a framework for investors to identify promising cryptocurrencies and make informed decisions. At its core, BIO is all about analyzing market trends, identifying patterns, and staying ahead of the curve. It's not just about throwing darts at a board and hoping for the best. It's a nuanced approach that requires patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of the market. By applying the BIO strategy, you'll be able to cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. You'll learn to analyze market trends, identify potential pitfalls, and make informed decisions that are aligned with your financial goals. It's not a magic bullet, of course, but it is a powerful tool that can help you spot hidden gems and avoid costly mistakes. Let me give you a specific example of how the BIO strategy can help you achieve 100x returns. I recently used BIO to identify a promising cryptocurrency that was still flying under the radar. By analyzing market trends, identifying patterns, and staying ahead of the curve, I was able to get in early and reap the rewards. And I'm not just talking about a modest 10% or 20% gain, I'm talking about a 100x return that literally changed the game for my portfolio. The beauty of the BIO strategy lies in its flexibility and adaptability. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, rather, it's a framework that can be tailored to your unique financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, BIO can help you navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency and make informed decisions that drive real results. So, what's the takeaway from today's video? The BIO strategy is a powerful tool that can help you achieve 100x returns in the world of cryptocurrency. By applying its principles, you'll be able to cut through the noise, make informed decisions, and stay ahead of the curve. And that, my friends, is the key to unlocking real success in this space. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the BIO strategy and its potential for achieving 100x returns. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my previous video on cryptocurrency trends, where I dive deeper into the world of crypto and share some valuable insights.